Hi guys, my name is Bas and welcome to episode 15 of my RStudio tutorials here on YouTube. First of all, if this video is helpful to you in any way, shape or form, then please leave a like on this video and furthermore, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want to make this channel grow as much as possible, so every subscription counts. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at the paired samples t-test. And last episode we took a look at the independent samples t-test, and I'll just run over the difference one more time. If the samples you are comparing are not related, so for example men and women, they are not related, then it's an independent samples t-test. Or if you're comparing two teams, team A and team B, then they are not related to each other, they don't influence each other's answers, so then it's an independent samples t-test. Well, if the groups are related, then it's a paired samples t-test, and that is mostly the case when it's the same group measured over time. And that's exactly what we're going to have a look at today. So we use the fear of statistics dataset, and we can see that it has been a training with a fear of statistics 1 and fear of statistics 2 at two different points in time. And it's been a training on statistics, and we hope that the fear of statistics at point 1 is higher than the fear of statistics at point 2. And because we're comparing the same group of respondents over time, so at two different moments, at moment 1 and moment 2, therefore it's a paired samples t-test. So how do we then get to the t-test in R? Well, it's actually really simple. First of all, we're going to attach the dataset FOST. That's important, otherwise you get an error. So make sure that you attach your dataset and then press Ctrl Enter. And then we do t.test. And then the first variable is going to be FOST1. Comma, the second variable is going to be FOST2, comma, and then paired is true in capital letters. And then you press Ctrl Enter, and then at the bottom in your console screen, you can see that the paired samples t-test has a mean difference of 2.428. So it did lessen the fear of statistics, but is this a significant difference? Well, if we look at the t level, it's 1.69, while the p-value is 0.1023. So therefore, we can conclude that it did not work. So because there is no significant difference, the p-value is higher than the alpha level of 0.05. Therefore, we can determine that there is no significant difference. Therefore, our null hypothesis cannot be rejected. And therefore we cannot accept our alternative hypothesis. So in this case, the fear of statistics training did not work. Okay, so that's how you can do a paired samples t-test. It's actually really simple. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you did, then please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be back with linear regression in the next episode. And for now guys, see you on the next tutorial. Ciao!